Ayan. Kita-kita ko po yung mga pumalakpak. Si Oji umabot. Umesang pa wala talaga kanina. Ngayon pala. So, may special prize po para sa nakunan ng camera na pumalakpak. Kaso wala akong camera na natuto. So, pero ito, bago po natin simulan ang Q&A, magkakaroon po tayo ng podcast signing. Ito si Miss Matel. Siya yung mamahala ng tanong. Pwede po kayo sumabay kung gusto nyo. So last question, Mr. Alan Jones. Yan.
Nalungkot si Rose, wala nang interview after. Lagi curious ako, was there ever a time na ginusto mong pumuti na talagang may moment ba na lumaklakan ng lupa or something para medyo mag-iba yung kulay mo? Or talagang from the beginning you were very happy with your skin color?
Actually, when I was starting, I'll be honest, parang, I had a moment na parang, because everyone was like telling me about certain things, sabi ko, do I have to do all these things? Siguro I should, because that's what society wants, parang ganyan. Or what everybody's telling me to do. Until one time, I remember having, hindi naman siya argument, but a conversation with my manager. Ako siguro, I would like to say I was stubborn. Ako talaga yung stubborn na alaga niya. I was like, you know what? Who cares? I'll just do me and I'll just like, kung ano man, but if they don't like that I'm flat-chested, I don't care. Gagalingan ko na lang. Gagalingan ko na lang sa pag-arte, gagalingan ko na lang in different aspects. I may have darker skin color, like especially before, parang, so what? I had that so what attitude. And then, you know what, it worked well for me. Kasi nga, as I grew older, it doesn't necessarily mean nga kasi na parang, you have to be, like, you have to do certain things. But all you have to do is take care of yourself, number one, and love yourself, more importantly. Kasi sino ba bang magmamahal sa sarili mo, even more than anyone else, kundi ikaw lang naman, diba? So, and everything suddenly came through, and hindi na siya naging problem for me. It wasn't, since then I'm like, I'm gonna stand my ground, I'm happy, and as long as I look happy, I feel happy, more than anything else. Parang, I'm okay with that. Parang, hindi na siya, biglang nawala na siya sa isip ko. No, I didn't have to prove myself to anybody else.
Tama. Nabanggit mo yung nilalakad ka before when you were younger. Was there ever a particular panlalait na talagang makinding tumama sa'yo ng bongga, na nag-stick sa'yo na talagang nasaktan ka ng todo? What was that?
Oh my God. Actually, hindi ka na nga, ganun na yata, wow, ganun na ka-unbothered, nakalimutan ko na. Yun nga, siguro, ang nag-stick lang sa akin siguro is that the line that I was never gonna make it because of, you know, I didn't look like everyone else. But, yun, nag-stick siya sa akin because, I'm not saying I made it, but I'm just saying that I'm happy where I am. Nag-stick siya sa akin because, yun, parang, hindi ako nagpatalo sa ganun na comment.
Naging challenge siya for you?
Parang, yes, naging challenge siya for me back then. And then eventually, nakalimutan ko na ngayon eh. Parang, hindi na siya naka-apekto sa akin. Kasi parang, yung on a day-to-day basis, wala akong ginawa kundi enjoy yung sarili ko pag nagtatrabaho ako or kung saan man ako pumupunta. And I think people would feel that. And I love surrounding myself with people like that. So, yeah.
And of course you made it. Look at you now, di ba? Kung makikita ka mo namang nalalapit sa'yo before. Tapos yung nabanggit yung
sa akin.
di ba? Yung nabanggit yung maging flat-chested, tinatanong ni Dina kung was there ever a time din na isip mo na magpa-enhance or something?
Actually, I'll be honest. I'll be like, nag-slip siya sa head ko. Should I? Kasi I remember before they were telling me, yes, you should have your breasts done. And I was like, really? But I'm so paranoid. Sa totoo lang, I'm too paranoid to do anything like that. So I'm happy that I didn't. And because now I can wear anything I want. Wow. I can wear pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, nakakaingit yung mga taong may side boob. Ay, nakikita ko sila na, sana all.
Pero hindi naman kailangan, no? You realize, especially kung meron ka ng husband.
Gusto ko yung basihan. Yung validation, may husband na ako, I don't need to get a boob job. Just kidding. No, it's like, yun nga eh, what makes you different is what's gonna make you shine. Paano na lang if everyone looks the same, diba? So parang yun talaga yung kailangan, what makes you different, what makes you, unique, is what's gonna make you who you are and what's gonna, yun nga, make you shine. Yeah.
Make you stand out,
make
special.
You stand out, for sure.
Last na, labi nabanggit mo yung husband mo kanina. Alam mo na patunayan namin ngayon, talagang yayamanin yung husband mo. When you mentioned na gusto niyang before the wedding, gusto niya magpatan at nagyaya siya sa south of France. Iba, altang-alta yung south of France.
It's so funny, diba? Sobrang random na, hindi naman siya, planado na trip. Pero nakita na niya yung mga pictures namin that he was so like, sabi niya, wow, I want to get a tan, let's go to south of France. Sabi ko, wow.
Na-achieve naman niya yung tan niya doon.
Na-achieve niya yung tan niya doon.
Oo, last na namin talaga. Last na dito, June. Paano yung, kasi diba sabi mo nga, sometimes when you work, you're 6 months here, you stay ng 6 months or more. Paano yung sexy time niyo, Labi, together?
Isipin, gusto ko yung, well, oh, may mga kids dito.
Yung medyo wholesome way to answer eh. Paano yung, kasi diba,
ang hirap naman ang question
o bawal na rin mamaya eh, so paano natin itatawid yun? Kasi syempre, di ba, means, kailangan nyo ng time together bilang mag-asawa. So, paano yun?
Ayun, sabi ni Tito Jun, panoorin niyo na lang daw yung guilty pleasure, yun daw makikita. Basta, guys, I don't know kung paano sagutin.
Kailan na lang nauuwi si husband mo?
Well, he's coming here.
Ayun, so may time naman tayo together.
Magkakaroon kami ng time together.
Here.
Stay longer. He's gonna stay longer here.
Ayun.
Siya pupunta sa akin this time.
Ayun. Thank you, girl.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Yan! Alam, buti nag-iabot ko na sa iyo. Sa babayaran namin sa overtime, sa kaka-overtime mo. Aloha.